That's not a glitch. That odometer really says 1 million, and some legends push way past that. Today I'm diving into cars that didn't just survive a commute, they lapped the planet. Multiple times. Let's start with the king, a 1966 Volvo P1800. Irv Gordon Daly drove this thing to a jaw-dropping 3.2 million miles. Think about it. Same owner, same car, over 5 decades. The secret? Religious maintenance. Oil changes every 3,000 miles, fluids on schedule, and he actually fixed little problems before they became big ones. Then there's the million-mile truck Toyota couldn't ignore, a 2007 Tundra driven by Victor Shepard. He hit 7 figures so fast that Toyota bought it back to tear it down. The autopsy? The engine and transmission were original, but the truck had gone through normal wear items. Seats, shocks, a few pumps. Stuff you'd expect. Highway miles, gentle throttle, and consistent service kept it alive. A million-mile Honda? Yep, Million Mile Joe did it with a 1990 Accord. The recipe was simple. Keep it stock, keep it clean, keep it maintained. Belts, brakes, fluids, no magic mods, just respect for the machine. Here's what all these heroes have in common. Highway miles beat stop and go every time. Heat kills, so cooling systems matter. Radiators, hoses, thermostats. Fluids are cheap insurance. Oil transmission differential brake fluid. Filters breathe life into engines. Air filter, fuel filter. Rubber wears out. Belts, bushings, tires. Listen for small problems. A new noise today is a big bill tomorrow. Can modern cars do it? Absolutely. Powertrains are more precise than ever. Electronics help, but they also add sensors and modules you'll eventually replace. The playbook still works. Smooth driving, consistent maintenance, quality parts, and patience. If you're shooting for the 7-figure club, set checkpoints. Every 5K, 7.5K miles, oil filter. Every 30K, transmission and brake fluid checks, cabin and engine filters. Transmission fluid, brake fluid, cabin filter, engine filter. Every 60K, 100K, spark plugs, coolant, belts. Spark plugs, coolant belts. Suspension and wheel bearings as soon as they feel loose. Suspension wheel bearings. Also, keep receipts. A maintenance log isn't just pride, it's value. And yeah, you will replace stuff. Alternators, starters, pumps, radiators, maybe a transmission or two. That's not failure. That's the cost of a million-mile adventure. So, will your car make it? If a 60s Volvo can cross 3 million, a well-cared-for modern Daily can crack one. Drive smooth, warm it up, change the fluids, fix the small things first. One day, you'll look down, the odometer flips, and it's not shock, it's proof. You didn't just own a car, you outlasted time together. If you've got a high-mile hero, drop the number and the model. I want to see who's closest to that million. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.